Hey everyone, Salena Kulkarni here from the Freedom Warrior program. I want to share with you today an insight into why I believe the current Australian property market is really struggling and investors are struggling to get results today. So I was working with a group of students earlier this week, and someone asked the question, why is it that strategies that have worked for so many decades are suddenly running dry and not working anymore? And first and foremost, I think, the current environment is very unique. And I think there's really three key drivers as to why we're not getting as good a results as we were, say, 10, 15 years ago. Number one, the marketplace has become incredibly crowded. So, previously there were far fewer people vying for those good deals. There's so many people interested in creating wealth through property now that competition for the better deals has become super, super fierce. If you add to that the fact that there is a mountain of information available to us, there are so many educators, there are so many, self-proclaimed gurus, there are people trying to sell you property. Whether or not they're doing it themselves is a completely different thing, but everyone's out there to try and vie for your dollars and your attention in order to get you to buy whatever it is that they're particularly interested in selling you. They're not necessarily looking out for your best interest. And as a new investor coming into that space, you're stuck or you're frozen by the idea of, well, what information is actually the right information to listen to. The third, really huge frustration is that the market has become incredibly expensive. So it's no longer the case that you can, almost take a punt and give something a go. There are serious dollars involved in getting involved in any real estate deal here in Australia right now. So what that's doing is it's making it harder for people to maneuver in and out of properties, as may have happened in the past. Those three factors combined are really what is making the experience of the average investor super difficult. And it really is like walking through I was going to say quicksand, but no, through cement. But look, there are ways to kind of step outside that paradigm and look at things differently. And if you'd like an insight into how to go about, tactically and strategically fast-tracking your results and stepping outside of that paradigm, then please come and join me in the Property Boardroom private Facebook group, which is all about business owners who want to really take their premium income and leverage themselves into better performing assets in the shortest possible space of time. Salena Kulkarni signing off. Until next time, take care.